प्रॉब्लम नंबर 18 के बी का 3, लिमिट ऑफ x टेंड्स टू 1 माइनस रूट एक्स बाई कॉस इनवर्स एक्स स्क्वायर। सपोज कॉस इनवर्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू थीटा, एज वैल्यू ऑफ कॉस इनवर्स एक्स लाइज बिटवीन 0 to pi and cos inverse x is equal to theta, that means theta lies between 0 to pi। यदि कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं जानते हो कि cos inverse x का वैल्यू 0 से पाई के बीच लाई करता है, स्थित होता है, याद कर लो। तुमको तो याद करना है कि cos inverse x का वैल्यू 0 से पाई के बीच होता है। This implies cos theta is equal to x, जब x के जगह पर 1 रखते हैं, फिर x is equal to 1, then cos theta is equal to 1। cos theta 1 और थीटा 0 से पाई के बीच, तो 0 से पाई के बीच कौन एंगल है जिसका कोसाइन लेने पर 1 मिलता? 0 पर मिलता। दिस इम्प्लाइज थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0। यानी जब x टेंड्स टू 1, व्हेन x टेंड्स टू 1, देन थीटा टेंड्स टू 0, देन थीटा टेंड्स टू 0। Therefore, this limit can be written as limit of theta tends to 0, x tends to 1 के जगह पर theta tends to 0, 1 माइनस रूट अंडर x के जगह पर cos थीटा बाय cos इनवर्स x थीटा, that is equal to limit of theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos theta by theta square times 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, multiplying numerator and denominator by same number 1 plus root under cos theta। a minus b times a plus b will be equal to, that is equal to limit of theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos theta by theta square 1 plus root under cos theta, 1 plus root under cos theta। Now we know the formula of trigonometry that 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2। Therefore, we can write that this as limit of theta tends to 0, 2 sin square theta by 2 by theta square 1 plus root under cos theta, that is equal to limit of theta tends to 0, we write 2 times sin square theta by 2। Now we divide by theta by 2 square and also multiply by this theta square by 4, so that this makes no any difference in the result। When we divide it and also multiply by same number, there will be no change in the result। Now we write this theta square 1 by theta square, and then we write this times 1 by 1 plus cos theta root under. This theta square will be cancelled out. This will be equal to 2 times limit of theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta is equal to 1 and limit of theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta square becomes equal to limit of theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta this whole square. On the basis of these two results, value of this can be written as 1 square times 1 by 4 times 1 by 1 plus root under cos 0, root under cos 0, and value of cos 0 is 1. Root under 1 will be equal to 1. That means this is equal to 2 will cancel 4. Therefore, this is 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. This will be equal to 1 by 4.